Welcome to Greene Crafts. Today we'll show you an easy but beautiful lace pattern that we use for our summer breeze crochet top. In our example, we chained 22. Start in the 7th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make 1 double crochet into the 7th chain. Chain 1, 2, skip the next 2 chains and make a double crochet into the 3rd chain. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains and make a double crochet. And repeat this will be our basic fillet stitch. Make a double crochet into the last chain. To start the 2nd row, chain 4 and turn the work. Make 1 double crochet in the top of the double crochet from the row below. Chain 1, 2, make a double crochet in the top of the next double crochet from the row below. Chain 2 and repeat these steps. Make the last double crochet of the row in the 2nd chain stitch of the turning chain. The 3rd row will be the same as row 2. Here you can see what these first 3 fillet rows look like on the summer top. We continue with rows 4 through 6, which will be the small fan stitch pattern. Chain 3 and turn the work. Skip the first chain space, work into the next chain space 1 double crochet, two, and 3 double crochets, chain 1 and make another 3 double crochets into this chain space. Chain 2, skip these 2 chain spaces, work into the 3rd 3 double crochets, chain 1, then 1, 2, and 3 double crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in the second chain stitch of the turning chain. And this is what it looks like. Rows 5 and 6 will be the same as row 4. Rows 7 and 8 will create the wide fan stitch pattern. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn the work. Make 1 single crochet into the chain space between the double crochet groups. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The next single crochet into the chain space between the double crochet groups. Chain 1, 2, 3, and make 1 double crochet in the second chain stitch of the turning chain. For row 8, chain 2 and turn. Work into the first chain space 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Into the next chain space work 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 double crochets. At the end of the row, 4 double crochets into the last chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 double crochet in the second chain stitch of the turning chain. Row 9, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the piece, skip the first and second stitches, into the third stitch work 1 double crochet, chain 2, skip the next 2 stitches, and into the third make a double crochet. Chain 2, Skip the next 2 stitches, make a double crochet and chain 2. Basically, we are making a filet crochet row again as we did at the beginning. At the end, make 1 double crochet in the second chain stitch of the turning chain. Rows 2 through 9 form one pattern repeat. And this is how the lace pattern looks when it's finished. If you'd like to make the top, you can find the pattern in both English and German, including 7 sizes, from extra small to 3 extra large. Visit greenecrafts.com.